Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your in-game username or your nickname on the Flash Party game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Flash Party game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you can jump into your battle right away by clicking on the bottom right corner button or pressing the spacebar key. Now, if you wish to change your username or your nickname, then in order to do so, click on your avatar alongside your username at the top left corner. This will then open up your profile page. From here, you can click on the edit button alongside your current username, and now you can type in your desired name right away. For the first time, you will be allowed to change it for free. So press the button, and now your nickname will be changed. After this, when you go back to change your nickname, you will need to spend a rename card. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username or your nickname on the Flash Party game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.